Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Here today guys, okay, we'll show you how to test, window motor here. Okay, this one guys will be for any car pretty much. Okay, we're working here on a Dodge, but the window motors are so interchangeable. They're sometimes even made by the same company, like this one. It's made by Bosch. Okay, you can see that's the Bosch symbol. So it's not Chrysler, it's not Jeep, it's not Dodge, anything like that. It's made by Bosch. And you can see right here it even says Bosch. So how you guys test those? There is no need to buy one. Okay, if it's working. Sometimes it could be electrical connector that causes your window not to go up and down. It could be a relay, it could be a fuse. So if you're in doubt guys, always test that before you buy one. There is no need to waste your money. In addition guys, every car we get at the shop will make 200 videos. So please subscribe. What you need to test it? A 12-volt battery. Okay, 12-volt battery, alligator clips, all the parts and tools guys that we use will be listed in the description of the video below. Now, almost every window motor comes with only two wires. Check it out, only two of them. One is negative, one is positive. But what happens? If you connect them one way, the motor will turn, let's say, clockwise. If you switch the wires, it will run the other way, counterclockwise. Now, with the wires being connected like that, okay, check it out now. When you give it 12-volt supply, the motor will start turning. Now, if we switch the wires, negative and positive, the direction of the motor will change. Okay, so let's switch it again. Check it out, how it starts turning the other way. So that way, guys, you can figure out if your window motor is working or not. Now, again, if the motor works but your window doesn't go up and down, check fuse, check relay, check the window motor. And it could be even a broken wire sometimes. That's a weak spot on the car sometimes. Right here a wire could break where it falls and causes your window not to work. So thank you guys for watching. Please. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.